What I have here are two washer water pump. The one which I removed, and there's a problem with the bearings inside. If you hear, there's a grinding noise when I turn the pulley. And the new one, you don't hear that grinding noise inside. So I want you to hear the noise before I remove the old water pump. There's a that's the noise that you hear when there's a problem with the water pump, and it's really noisy, and there's a grinding inside. So after I replace it, as you can see, there's a significant difference between the previous one and after I replaced with the new water pump. I will show you in this video how to remove the broken water pump from this Maytag machine. But first of all, you will need to stop the flow of water from the bulb and also disconnect the power to this machine. And next is to access from the back of the machine the brake cover, which has at least 4 tiny screws in order to remove the old water pump from there. It's important to have a empty bucket ready to drain the extra water that will come out from the hose when disconnecting the old water pump, so that you will not mess up the floor. You can use a pliers to remove the clip from the input and output hose connected to the water pump. And once you loosen the hoses, you will have to get ready with your empty bucket to catch the water from it. Finally, the water pump is connected via the V-belt, rubber V-belt, connected to the machine's motor. You will have to tilt the body of the washing machine to access the rubber belt. You will have to remove that in order to fully remove the water pump from the machine. The installation of the new water pump is simply the reverse procedure you have seen on this video. If you find this helpful, please give it a like and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.